Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Tarot Case, another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life, and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig, spirit guides, send me messages about love, about relationship, connections, guidance, challenges, conflict, anything. Yung mga bagay na nais ninyong ipabatid sa amin, mga aral at gabay sa buhay, pag-ibig. Spirit guys, send me messages. Have here. Ace of Wands, Moon, Knight of Wands, Four of Cups, World, Nine of Wands, Judgment, Six of Wands, and Three of Wands. Tingnan natin kung ano ang bottom of the deck. Justice. May judgment, may justice. So, malakas po dito yung energy na this is new love. This is new person coming into your life. Yung Four of Cups dito, maaari kasing palagi mong iniisip yung past person mo. Yung person na kung saan iniwan ka na, yung person na kung saan na wala na sa buhay mo eh. Pero doon ka lang nakatuon. Samantalang marami naman siya sa paligid mo that still have interest on you, likes you, wants you. Minsan hindi mo sila pinapansin. Mangyayari niyan kapag ganun, baka mamaya magkaroon ka ng regrets kasi kung sino yung mga ini-ignore mo, baka sila talaga yung para sa'yo, diba? Tapos, wala na, biglang maglao na rin kasi hindi mo pinapansin dahil nakatuon ka pa rin sa nakaraan eh. Magkakaroon dito ng judgment, ibig sabihin, namumulat ka. Para mapapag-isip-isip mo, marirealize mo na oo nga, bakit inuubos ko yung enerhiya ko kakaisip sa isang taong wala naman na sa buhay mo. Wala na nga eh, ex na nga eh, past na nga eh. Parang it's not worth it to waste your energy and time thinking of that person when that person is not really available anymore. When that person leaves you with or without any explanation. When that person hurts you, that you don't deserve that kind of relationship of love, diba? That is so hurting. Ngayon, meron ka makikilala dito. Someone, maybe, from the other side of the world, somewhere, magmi-meet kayo, makikilala mo siya, magbibigay ng mutual attraction. And there is so much passion. No, yung attraction na yun, tapos mararamdaman mo within your soul na parang siya na yung someone na ipinadala sa akin ni God. Mararamdaman mo yan. No, parang nandoon kapag titignan mo siya sa mga mata niya, mararamdaman mo yung sinseridad niya at mararamdaman mo yung connection ninyong dalawa. Maaring makikilala mo yan online. Pero doon, syempre, sa umpisa, di ba? Medyo mysterious pa yung dating. Pero once na nag-meet kayo, because that person really wants to see you, then doon ka mapapag-isip-isip. Know that when you meet each other and when you look into his or her eyes, wow, there's so much attraction. And mararamdaman mo that it pays off all your sacrifices, all the hurts that you've been through from your past relationship. This time, this person, sa umpisa, medyo alanganin ka pa. Kasi syempre, nasaktan ka na At saka itong person na to, medyo mysterious pa yung dating. Pero, kapag nakilala mo siya ng lubusan, kayong dalawa, magkakilala kayo ng lubusan, mararamdaman mo that there is so much connection within your soul, within your heart. At magpo-prosper yun from friendship into a successful relationship. Kaya maganda yung minsan kasi talagang kapag doon ka palagi nakatuon sa nakaraan, nabubulagan ka sa future mo. Kasi you keep looking back. Dapat nga, when you move forward, do not move backward. Especially when alam mo naman sa sarili mo that there is so much pain, that person left you, that person, you don't deserve the kind of treatment. Kaya meron ditong judgment. Somehow, medyo nagising ka na. Nung tinigil mo na yung kakaiyak mo araw-araw doon sa taong yon, na maaaring siguro gusto mo pa rin bumalik sa buhay mo, kung hindi na nga talaga pwede, at kung bumalik man yung sa buhay mo, hindi naman ikabubuti mo, baka lalong ikasama mo. Then you realize, when you focus to yourself, palaging sinasabi, self-respect, respeto naman sa sarili mo, sinaktan ka na nga ng taong yun And especially kung hindi na available yung taong yun. Diba? Self-care. Huwag mong pabayaan ang sarili mo. Kumain ka ng maayos. Matulog ka ng maayos. Mag-unat-unat ka. Mag-exercise ka. Okay. Kung kailangan mo ng grooming, para hindi yung aura mo is para talagang very, alam mo yun, yung sad, depressed, o hindi maganda. Naaaninag sa mukha yan, yung aura mo, yung energy mo Pero kapag iba parang umahon ka, nandun yung self-love and care, you always pray to God, kung ano yung nakabubuti sa'yo, your will be done. Ikaw na pong bahala sa puso ko. Ganon. Then God or the universe will send someone just right for you. Okay, so don't give up on love. And don't always keep looking back. Maybe you're looking back para dun sa mga lessons lang. But ang importante, keep moving and looking forward. At habang hindi pa nangyayari yung future, ayusin mo yung present mo. Ayusin mo yung sarili mo. Focus ka sa sarili mo. Do your best sa trabaho mo at maayos pakikisama sa pamilya, kaibigan mo. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. Mag-workout ka, exercise ka, do sa meditation, mag-ayos ka, magpakaganda, magpakagwapo ka, di ba? Kumain ka ng maayos, matulog ka ng maayos. Take care of yourself. Healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. Ito yung kailangan mo, healing sa sarili mo. Healing from the pain. At hindi mangyayari yung process of healing when you don't accept. When you don't accept, hindi mag-start ang healing kapag in denial ka pa rin. But when you accept things, when you accept the fact na talagang wala na and you have to move forward na, then healing starts. And when you are healed, it will make wonders to your heart, to your life, because the light will open up for you. Masasabi mo, you realize something, you've learned something from the past. And also, that will make you a better person. Okay? So that next relationship, magiging successful na. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.